So in this video I will show you how to find the most relevant keywords for your product. So if you want to find out the keywords which you will use in your listing, in your PPC and everything you do for your product, then I will tell you how to do that. For that you will need a magnet tool of helium 10. Now for example, your product is example rainbow puzzle ball. Right, so this is your main product, and so far I don't know whether it is the right keyword or not, but it is highly relevant, I know, but what is the search volume of this keyword, I don't know. So I will copy this keyword. By the way, you can find my other videos in which I have shown that how to find the main keyword. Just for instance, you can take the idea of main keyword from the titles, from the starting of titles of top 5 to 10 products. So you will take the most common keywords and then search over here. If the search results are showing the same kind of product, then it means it is relevant keyword. Then you will copy that relevant keyword and you can paste it over magnet, and then you will click on get keywords. Now, so this keyword is having search volume 2388, but I don't know either it is main keyword and what are the other relevant keywords. So I have to find out that. So here is the result, and first of all we have to sort it by search volume. So I will click over here on this heading of search volume, and it will sort the results by the search volume in descending order. So now we will scan one by one from top to bottom each product, and we will find out that which is the first keyword come out, which is showing the results of the product, and all the results are majority of the results are similar. So that's what we have to find out. So pop it fidget toy, I know what it is, so I'm not gonna open this. So I know this is not the relevant keyword. Fidget pack, this is not the relevant keyword. So here sometimes you have to open the keyword results and you have to check what is this, and sometimes you can use your common sense, because if something is generalized and generic, then you may know by the name that this can't be your relevant keyword because it is generic keyword and it is going to show results uh, very spreaded. So fidget pack, it can't be this. No, 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 no. So simple new stress. No. The keyword should look like similar to the keyword I have searched, so that I can have an idea that maybe it may be the relevant keyword. So I'm looking for that keyword. These are generic keywords. Fidgets for kids. There are hundreds of fidgets. There are many kinds of it. So fidgets can be any fidget, not the particular which I am looking for, which is like ball shape, rainbow puzzle. Uh, this can't be it. Rainbow. Puzzle ball. Again, puzzle ball can be many things. Let me check. Oh, so this is it. This is one of the main keyword. Actually, this is the main keyword because 70 to 80% results are showing the same product. At least the top 5 to 10 products are the same. So this can be our main keyword because this is the first keyword which with highest search volume and with a great relevancy. Relevancy means the results are showing the same product. At least top uh, top results, top products which are showing over here are similar. So I can take this keyword. So now I know puzzle ball. It is number 27. It is having search volume 15,487. Now I will go over here and export this report in Excel format. So this will download the Excel format uh, in this spreadsheet. Okay, so here are the results which we are looking for. This is the search volume, right? These are the keywords. Now I'm going to do the same thing, same scanning from this sheet now, so that I can filter out those keywords which are highly relevant. So the first keyword I found is puzzle ball. I will highlight this keyword with yellow color. Now I will find more keywords. Fidget toys, stress ball. I will search this as well. Alright, so this is some other kind of product. So this is not the one which we are looking for. So I'm gonna check this keyword. Yes, here it is. So I will highlight this one as well. I don't know what magic ball is, so I will check it out. Alright, so it is showing some mix of the products. It is not highly relevant, but it is slightly relevant. So I can put it some other color. I am assigning it this orange color. Orange color means it is slightly relevant. So it is second category keyword, not the first category. I am highlighting first category keywords in yellow. know what does it mean, so I'm gonna check it out. This is something else. Rainbow puzzle. It can be the main keyword. Let me check. I mean, it can be relevant keyword, not the main keyword. We have already found the main keyword. No, it is not the product which we are looking for. Rainbow wall. It can be the same product, same like this one. So we will check it out. It is showing the mixed words. So it is showing our product as well and other product also. So I can take it into orange. Okay, extra small fidget. Now it is irrelevant keyword for us. No, this is not the product which we are looking for. This is not the keyword as well. Stress. This is also not the keyword. So this keyword research for this product is actually tough. When you are doing keyword research, then majorly it is not like that. It is easy and you can do it in 15 to 30 minutes maximum. So this is how you have to do it, and you have to find out at least 25 top most relevant keywords. And once you are done with the highlighting and the formatting like this, then you go to here on filter and you will sort by color yellow. So if you have highlighted 25 keywords, right, so all those keywords will be sorted out on the basis of color, and all the yellow color which are highly relevant keywords will get in a bunch over here at the top. So that is how you will know that as per search volume, sorted by search volume, these are the most relevant keywords. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.